Thanks for joining me to hear of job opportunities. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Due to our current and unusual situation has brought about certain benefits for some companies and for some workers too. Through online work, independent contractors, full-time, part-time, contract workers or freelance work remotely. And some workers have the freedom to work from home or on some occasions anywhere they choose. Today I am presenting 8 companies that have switched to either permanent or part-time remote work from home. 1. American Express. American Express is a global provider of financial goods and services, including payment solutions, travel, and financial management for individuals and businesses. Remote work plans. Employees can continue working from home through Labor Day 2021. Recent remote job openings: Manager, Corporate Communications, Global Supply Management, Business Analyst. Workforce Forecasting, Capacity Planning, Scheduling, Real-Time Analyst. 2. Atlassian. Founded in 2002, Atlassian is a publicly traded computer software business specializing in collaboration, development, and issue tracking software for teams. Remote work plans. Atlassian employees can work from home forever. Recent remote job openings: Product Marketing Manager, GTM, Content Designer. 3. CapitalOne. CapitalOne is one of the nation's top 10 largest banks, provides financial services and products for consumers, commercial customers, and small businesses nationwide. Remote work plans. CapitalOne plans to keep all non-essential staff working from home until Labor Day 2021. Recent remote job openings: Bilingual Collections Associate, Repo, Customer Solutions Specialist. 4. Coinbase. Coinbase offers cryptocurrency services designed to facilitate transactions in open-source, peer-to-peer digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Remote work plans. Coinbase has become a remote-first company, allowing most staff who want to work remotely to do so indefinitely. Once pandemic restrictions are lifted, employees who want to return to the office will be able to for some or all of their working hours. Recent remote job openings: Social Media Manager, Training Lead, Client Services, Group Product Marketing Manager, to name a few. 5. Dropbox. Dropbox helps people and companies keep files in sync, and share and collaborate on projects anytime and anywhere. Remote work plans. Dropbox will let all employees work from home permanently. Existing office space will become Dropbox Studios, where people can choose to go in to work. Recent remote job openings: Director of Product Management, Business Platform, Senior Director of Product, Sales Compensation Analyst. 6. Facebook. Founded in 2014, Facebook is the largest social media network worldwide, with more than 2.6 billion monthly active users. Remote work plans. Facebook will allow up to 50% of their employees to work remotely forever. The rest of the company can remain remote until July 2021. Recent remote job openings: Product Designer, Technical Program Manager. 7. Hawk Media. Hawk Media offers a full range of digital marketing services. It specializes in optimizing digital media strategies to help companies work more efficiently, save money, and generate revenue. Remote work plans. Hawk Media is now a fully remote company. Recent remote job openings. Digital strategist, vice president of creative operations. 8. Hubspot. Since launching in 2006, Hubspot has emerged as the force behind the industry-leading inbound marketing and sales platform. Headquartered in Cambridge, Massachusetts, with offices worldwide, HubSpot provides software, support, and services to clients in more than 90 countries. Remote work plans. Employees at HubSpot can choose from 3 options. Work from home with an approved home office setup. Work from the office 2 or fewer days per week. Or work from the office 3 or more days per week. New employees will have to choose their option prior to their start date, and can change once a year. Recent remote job openings. Senior Manager, Culture Experience, Senior Deal Desk Analyst. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you will be notified when new job opportunities are available. Hit the thumbs up to like this video. Have a great day.